Hey guys, today I have something we all dreaded as students and most of us, rightfully so, still do. What is it? Yes, you guessed it. Presentations. And the word alone is enough to send shivers to your spine, right? You know what? I totally get it. We've all been down that road, staring at a blank screen, wondering if the class will survive another round of monotonous slides, but it's totally okay. Because today, I've got the ultimate guide to transform your presentation game. Now let's start with a clean slate. Say goodbye to the dread, and let's make your next presentation the one that actually everyone looks forward to. Okay, first of all, I just want to state the obvious. No one wants a data overload. Instead of drowning your classmates in statistics, weave your information into relatable stories. Trust me, they'll be more engaged and you'll be hearing no snores in the background. Of course, practice doesn't make perfect all the time. It's not possible, but it sure does help. Rehearse your presentation like you're prepping for a concert. The more familiar you are with your material, the more confident you'll be on stage. Or, at the front of the classroom. Don't let your slides become a snooze fest. Use visuals strategically to complement your points. A well-placed meme or a clever image can break the ice and keep your classmates awake and engaged. And speaking of visuals, although they tend to stick to our minds much easier and get us hooked, too many slides can also overwhelm your audience, so balance is key here. Relatable humor is one of my secret weapons and I use it all the time whenever I'm doing a presentation. Never forget that humor is your best friend when it comes to presentations. Crack a joke or two, share a funny anecdote, just keep it relatable. Laughter not only eases tension, but also makes you more memorable. When you try this, you'll see for yourself that your classmates will actually really appreciate a presentation that feels like more of a real conversation or chat rather than just a lecture. And lastly, please hear me out because it's more than okay to be nervous. It just means that you care, and above all, it means that you're only human. This is totally normal. Totally normal. It doesn't mean something's wrong with you. It doesn't mean you don't know what you're talking about. It doesn't mean you're a joke. It definitely doesn't mean that people will look down on you. It doesn't mean any of it. It's just normal. It's human nature. Try to channel that energy into enthusiasm. Embrace the butterflies in your stomach as a sign that you are about to crush it. Remember, you're not alone in feeling nervous before a presentation. Each and every one of your friends in that classroom are going through the exact same thing. So there you have it, pals. Turn your dread into determination and let's make presentations something you actually look forward to. Smash that like button if you like the video, subscribe for more student-friendly advice, and of course, share with your friends. See you guys later.